Good morning. It's June 27th. This is a Tuesday. And looking at the markets overnight, we've got the ag markets. All the agricultural markets are up. Crude oil is up. Dollars down. Precious metals are up. So most of the markets that we follow are up. Global stock markets, we had Asia closed mixed. We have right now Europe is closing down mostly. And the United States futures markets for the S&P that are currently trading are down a small amount. Let's go to December cotton, up 10 at 67.33. At one point last night, it got to 67.77. The low was 67.10. July soybeans are up 8 1/4 at 9.15, a high of 9.17 1/4, a low of 9.09. July corn up 2 at 3.61, a high of 3.61 1/2, a low of 3.59 1/2. July wheat up 1 3/4 at 4.51 3/4, a high of 4.54 1/2, a low of 4.49 1/4. Crude oil is up 51 cents a barrel in August crude at 43.89. The dollar's down 60. Gold up 5, silver up 8, and the S&P futures are down 2.3. Crop progress came out yesterday. As I look down the page here, everything looks normal. The cotton market slipped a little bit. It was in the good to excellent category. It was 57% good to excellent. The previous week, it was 61%. So that was a pretty good slip. And I think that number last week was a slip from the previous week. I believe it had been at 64% then. So there's a progression here toward this crop deteriorating, and at the same time the market is sold off dramatically. Not a lot of logic here, but we'll see if it can correct itself. Cotton, 34% squaring. The previous week was 30%, and the crop's 98% planted. Soybeans, 66% good to excellent. The previous week was 67%, so pretty much unchanged. 94% emerged in soybeans, a little ahead of the average. 9% blooming, a little ahead of the average. Corn, 67% good to excellent. That's unchanged from the previous week. 4% silking right now. That's on average. Spring wheat is 72% good to excellent. The last week, the previous week, it was 76%, so it did slip also. So let's look at the calendar. We have today consumer confidence coming out at 9 o'clock, and later today API energy stocks coming out at 3:30. That is it. Have a good day, and we'll talk to you later.